What's good to YouTube? Your girl Bri is here today and we are talking about all things Laura Mercier. If you do not know and you are new here, I am a freelance makeup artist and one of the brands that I work for is Laura Mercier. She has created some amazing products for you to achieve your flawless face. This is the look that I created for you guys, and if you're interested in seeing what Laura Mercier products I used and how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So we are close with you. The first product that we are going to be trying is a sample that I got. Laura Mercier is going to be coming out with some new products soon. If the stores were actually open, you would know about them because they would have already launched. But I am trying out the Laura Mercier Perfect Cream. So this is a sample that I received. This is supposed to be for all skin types. It's supposed to hydrate, smooth, always, always, always bring down onto the neck. Whatever moisturizers, serums, oils that you're using, don't neglect the neck area. It feels nice, it's not too heavy, very lightweight. This is Laura Mercier's Blurring Primer. And this is one of their new launches with their Pure Canvas primers. This is like my second little sample bottle that I'm opening now. These are so good. There's about 6 different formulas of primers that they launched. The Blurring Primer is more if you're prone to acne scarring, oily skin, texture on your skin, and less is more with this product. I just like to tap it in the areas where I know that I get oily, where I know I'm gonna get that shine, where I know the makeup might move a little bit more, especially around the mouth. If you use too much of this product, it will pill, or when you put your foundation over top, you might get those little specks. So less is more with this product. You do not need a lot. These two right here are my favorite Laura Mercier foundation combo. This is the Silk Creme Oil Free Foundation in Nutmeg, and then I take a little bit of the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation in Truffle. So Nutmeg is the perfect kind of undertone for me, but Truffle adds a little bit of warmth because sometimes Nutmeg is a little too light for me. So I just like to take a little bit, a half a pump of this. Laura Mercier cheek brush, and I just like to start to buff that out. Now when you are achieving Laura Mercier's flawless face, what they have always taught us and what I will teach you guys is that start in the areas of your face where you know you need more foundation. So normally that's towards the center of the face. It might be the cheek area if you have some discoloration, but start there, add the product there, and then you're gonna wanna buff it out and use that excess product on your brush for the areas of your face that you might not need all that product. Like, you know, my forehead's pretty clear. I don't need a lot of foundation on my forehead. My problem areas are more right in this cheek area. A lot of people you will see online will take like 5 pumps of their foundation, 4 different concealers. You don't need that much product, especially when we're talking about Laura Mercier products. The products are formulated and pigmented so well that less is more. You can always build if you want more coverage, but less is more. And we're in natural light right now, so the sun, it's cloudy, so if the lighting changes, that's just the natural way it works. I have a little discoloration on my neck, so I do like to bring my foundation down just a little bit. Now I know a lot of women who, after achieving a base like this, they're good to go. They only want foundation and that's it, literally. And that's okay. If that's your speed, if that's all the time that you can do just to achieve a natural, even skin tone, then keep it just like that. And there's no problems with that, but we are gonna go into concealer. So these are the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealers. I have shade 5N and I have shade 6W. So I'm going to be using these to highlight and contour. This is Laura Mercier Flawless Finish Spun. That nice S curve to really hug the contours of the face. One thing I like about this sponge is this little thin edge. It's perfect to go right down the nose. And then I'm going to use their Secret Brightening Powder in shade number 2. And this is such a beautiful setting powder. Even the original one that is translucent, it just brightens and smooths the under eye area so nicely. Less is more with this product. Also too, I find that if you put too much, and this is just for me, that it does end up looking very dry under the eyes, and I like a little bit more of a natural finish. I don't want it to be too matte under my eyes. And I didn't bake. I don't necessarily bake myself, but if you want to bake, you can totally use that powder to bake. Next, I'm going to take the darker shade and just do a light contour. And I like to take that darker shade and actually just bring it right in the eye socket. I could use the sponge, but I'm actually going to use the foundation brush and just go in circular motions. This concealer, so easy to blend, not only under the eye, but on the face. This is Laura Mercier's Candleglow Sheer Perfecting Powder. I like to use this to just bronze up the face naturally, just to kind of set that contour that we just used. And these powders actually have a soft blurring effect, so they're going to kind of smooth and fill in the pores. You can use them as bronzers, you can use them just as full face setting powders. They're beautiful on the skin. And then I'm just going to take the pressed powder, translucent setting powder. This shade is medium deep, and I'm just going to use that. It's a little lighter, and just use that to kind of set the rest of the face where I know that I might get some shine. I have the loose one also too. I like the press. It's actually a little bit lighter than the translucent setting powder in the medium deep. Skin is looking flawless. Laura Mercier makes so many eye products. Eye palettes, single shadows, cream eyeshadow sticks. So what I'm actually gonna do first is use the concealer as my eyeshadow base. She does make eye bases, but I'm just gonna use the concealer as a base. Just going to use that foundation brush again. I'm actually gonna take Curl Royale. This is Amethyst eyeshadow stick. And I'm just gonna pop that right in the center of the eye. And then I'm going to take Rosegold right in the inner corner. Laura Mercier's new eyelash curler. If you don't curl your lashes, what is happening in the world? Curling the lashes just really lifts the lashes so that when you do your mascara, they pop. Next, I am taking Laura Mercier's Caviar Volume Mascara. Look at that. The lash. Soulful. Here's a tip for when you are choosing your mascara. The smaller the brush, the more definition, length you're gonna get. The bigger the brush, the more it's all about the volume, more thickening, fuller lashes. So I'm taking Rose. This is their Laura Mercier's Base Illuminator, an inspiration, and that we are going to use to highlight. Stunning. The skin is so flawless. I mean, yes, we use a lot of products. I'm going to list all the products below, but Laura Mercier knows what she's doing when she is putting together these products, period. Next, one of my favorite lip combos, Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. So this is in the shade Control, which is a deep brown. I like to use that as a liner. And Soulful. Soulful was actually a limited edition, but this is gonna create the most pretty, like, brownie pink nude lip combo. Perfect. Plummy brown mauvey nude. And lastly, one of my favorite products to use for the décolleté. You can use it on the face, you can use it on the body for summertime. This is the Laura Mercier Glow Translucent Loose Setting Powder. A little bit of this from the cap. This is an amazing, like, body glow. Look at that. Illuminator. Not only for the face, of course you can use it for the face, but going out, nighttime, you want a little bit of pop? Like, what? This is the final and completed look. Laura Mercier makes some amazing products where you can achieve a flawless, beautiful, natural finish to your makeup look. And I used a good amount of products, but you can cut this down in half and still achieve this look. I think this is great for daytime, nighttime. If you want to smoke up the eyes a little bit more, add more mascara or a pair of lashes, go ahead. But if you were looking for a brand and you're a person who likes to use the entire brand, you know, I think now we see so many YouTubers and influencers where they're grabbing for so many different brands, but there's nothing wrong if you want to use one complete brand. That brand has made their entire line so that all their products work together and achieve what you want from your makeup look. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up this video. Let me know some of your favorite Laura Mercier products that you are using, or things that I left out that you think work great with your everyday makeup routine. And subscribe if you are not part of the family. Ring the bell so you don't miss any videos. And that's all. Peace out, Cub Scouts.